So, hello, hi, good morning all. So it seems like market is highly volatile now. So we'll allow some time to settle this high volatile. So we'll wait. We'll allow a few minutes. So maximum, I'll wait for maximum three candles. I mean first 3 minutes or first 5 minutes max. I'll wait to execute the trade. I can see the opportunity here, but at the same time I see the risk due to high volatility. Only one thing I can say, always we have to be best on our decision making. Otherwise, we'll be facing loss. And my personal opinion, I always trust PE. If I got any opportunity in PE, I trust PE comparatively CE. Because any confusion, any big news, whatever in the kind of biased on negative side, or there is no any fresh updates or something, always market is favored to PE, the two which highly aligned with our system. So I always trust PE, and also maximum I think twice before executing any trade in CE. So if in case we execute a trade something somewhere here, we can expect the target around 216. So I'm getting prepare myself on PE in case if it is got closed above somewhere here. Again started in the phase of range bound. So first 5 minutes is over. I see the sentiment is negative only. I believe it's time for us to 1.5 as a percentage and 5 lot and I exit. So we got executed at 2 point. So we can, yeah, target for the day is done. So only one trade a day. Okay. So GTT also triggered. So we are done for the day. And let me check how much I have achieved for the day. Okay, fine, no problem. Here a quick analyze what I have done, kind of a review. As I mentioned, if the market close anything above here, we can expect market go till here. I mean 216 in the PE. So my target is within the range of that. So I have a confident definitely be going to that point. So I have achieved that. And today is our 22nd day of recording and one stop loss. And we have achieved, I believe, 28 percentage or 29 percentage something till to date. And now the time is 9:25. See, now the target has been got achieved. So we are confident on what we are doing. So to learn more about this kind of analyze or what is going to happen in the future and what is our next step, how to predict a small trend, uh, how to avoid risk. So you can join to my WhatsApp group and join the live sessions so I can help you out with that. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.